Monkey has a banana. Monkey loves banana. One banana costs one pebble. Life is simple. Then word gets around this banana stand is actually good. Every monkey in the jungle starts showing up. Now, every monkey wants banana smoothies, banana chips, banana perfume. Don't ask about the perfume. Same number of bananas, way more monkeys wanting them. Banana seller looks at the line out the door and thinks, I could charge more. Price goes to 2 pebbles. This is demand pull inflation. More monkeys chasing the same bananas, so the price gets pulled up. Meanwhile, across the jungle, a storm wrecks half the banana trees. Banana seller still has bills to pay, workers to pay, one worker literally named Gary. Same demand, way less banana. Price goes up again, not because monkeys want more, but because there's less to go around. This is cost push inflation. The cost of making the banana pushed the price up. Banana seller starts doing well, buys a second stall, then a third. Expanding is expensive, so seller raises prices slightly on all 3 to cover it. Monkeys barely notice 1 pebble becoming 150. This is monetary inflation. Small, steady, built into growing a business. Now here's where it gets ridiculous. Monkey King prints more pebbles so every monkey can afford banana smoothies. Great, more monkeys can buy. Except, now there are so many pebbles floating around that banana seller raises prices to match. King prints more pebbles, seller raises prices again, King prints more, seller raises more. This goes on for months until one monkey shows up with a wheelbarrow full of pebbles just to buy 1 banana. Eventually, the Monkey King gives up and switches the currency to bottle caps. This is hyperinflation. And yes, it is exactly this dumb in real life too. Quick myth bust. Inflation by itself isn't the villain. If monkeys' pebbles grow as fast as banana prices, monkeys fine. If monkeys' pebbles grow faster than prices, monkeys actually getting richer. The problem is only when prices climb, and monkeys' pebbles just sit there. Smart monkey doesn't panic about inflation. Smart monkey invests pebbles into something that grows, like, say, more banana trees. So the pebbles keep pace with the price. Subscribe if you'd rather learn this from monkeys than from a 40-minute lecture.